Welcome to the PatientVR platform. To get started, visit app.patientvr.com and sign in using your email address and password. Now let's begin setting up your headset. Follow these steps to connect your device and start managing your PatientVR content. First, pair your headset by clicking the blue icon. An instruction prompt will appear on your screen to guide you through the process. Next, put on your VR headset and launch the PatientVR application. A 6-digit pairing code will appear inside the VR app. Enter or paste this code into the platform to complete the pairing process. Once your headset is successfully paired, you can purchase a subscription license and assign it to your device to unlock content management. You can now customize the content library connected to your headset by adding or removing VR scenes and experiences based on your needs.